dropped the GoPro. The cockpit locker is ready for gel coat. I'm gonna be glassing in those through holes, so once I finish all the glass work, the major stuff, I'll get the gel coat and then I can kind of repaint a few things. The bilge needs a little more repaint and stuff, so get through all that. Anyways, I began the process of building a refrigerator. Here it's going to be the fridge. A lot of storage for a refrigerator, but it's gonna be so nice. I swear this thing fits in the boat. It just looks really weird and crooked now, but it really does fit in the boat. Alright, I still have another layer of foam to put in here, but that's where I got so far. Then I got a second layer to put in here, and then, wow. The fridge has started. Hi, Layla. Tell everyone hi. She's feeling very, very fluffy today. It's chilly out. It's kind of nice though. It's making my mouth dry. Kitties are happy. So, here it is in the boat.
It looks good.
It looks really good. We marked where the door is gonna go, and then what we're gonna do is the countertop, we're gonna make this come down about 3/4 inches so that we have the countertop to go on top of it. And then the foam will go down inside of here, and then the countertop will go on top, and then when you pull it open, you got the foam door. So, there it is. The bad spots are ground out on the bus, and I went around with thinned epoxy and coated them all, and then I'm gonna go around with thickened epoxy and fill all the voids. So we went around and filled all the holes. All the holes are now filled with thickened epoxy. So the safety clips for the bus keep breaking. Because this is a foam piece, I think the epoxy, when I glue the safety clip in with the epoxy, it just seems to just rip right out of this foam after a while. And now this is the third time fixing it. I'm pretty much done. We put this piece of wood on here, and then I'm gonna drill the hole and glue this into the wood, and hopefully it'll stick a little better. We have a counter. We got a counter. We got a counter. We got a counter. Hey, 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 hey. All right, countertop's in. Now we gotta do the face frames. Yeah.
So this face frame will run the whole length, right?
Yeah. Hey everybody. So I actually Pete did this. This is the checker for how much fuel is in the tank. This is going to be where it sits in here. So we can check how much fuel there is. And then also the pickup tube is now on. The pickup tube for the water tank is on as well. So that is all ready to go, to glass on. Brr, got chilly. This is the countertop. I coated it with some thinned epoxy. And this actually, these two bulkheads go on either side of the refrigerator. Layla, calm down. So anyways, those will go on either side of the refrigerator. And then the last thing I did today is I glued in the anchor chain locker. I'm going to let that glue dry, and then I'm going to put some fillets in all of it and do the floor of it. And then that'll be ready for glass. So that's it for today. I gotta glue this floor down, then we can move forward still. But a little bit at a time, we're getting there.